Hi, hello. Uh, Good afternoon. I'm Kagemchi Agriculture. I have something to all my fellow farmers. If you have a 3,500 square meter without Carabao or without hand tractor, why don't you use this one? They call is improvised cultivator. So, you see, my fellow farmers, if you have this one, use this one. Is getting better for your land. And I hope you understand what did you mean. So I can speak English, but I cannot say fluent. Ang masasabi ko lang, pagka po nagkaroon kayo ng ganito, napakaganda po sa bukid. And then, uh, uh,